I don't know why I did that. But what is up? I am back with another delicious meal for you. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so you know what that means. It's time for me to hook up a nice, sexy dish. How about a good aphrodisiac for you and your lady, fellas? Get a not too full, but get in the mood. Oh yes. So how about some Jamaican curry shrimp and rice? Super easy to make, super fast. Everything's prepped as usual. So let's get busy. Alright, first things first, let's start by seasoning that shrimp. Put a little bit of salt on there, and then topped it with a little bit of curry powder. And I'm using a spoon to mix those seasonings in with the shrimp because I haven't found a life hack of how to get that yellow stain off your hands from the turmeric. So, whatever works for you though. That's what I did. Then finally, we got a hot pan, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and let's get those shrimp in the pan. We're gonna sear them on one side for about a minute, flip them on the other side, and then take them out and set them aside. You don't want to cook them all the way through here because you don't want the shrimp to be overcooked, and we're gonna finish cooking it once we put it in the rest of the sauce. And while you're here, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And also go ahead and check me out on Facebook, the GooderThanAMug Show on Facebook. So now it's time to add in our veggies. We got some chopped onions. I just tossed in some minced garlic there. I'm gonna cook that down real good till the onions become translucent and the garlic becomes fragrant. Then we're gonna add in all of our peppers. We got some colored bell peppers, red, yellow, and orange, and that's 1 sliced jalapeno pepper. It's gonna put a nice little kick to this dish. Now let's season those veggies with some more of that curry powder. Alright, now I have 1.5 cups of shrimp stock. I'm going to add that with just about 1/2 cup of the shrimp stock. And you can use chicken broth or seafood stock, whatever you have. I just made some shrimp stock out of the shrimp that we just seared. And now we got some jalapeno sauce and some coconut milk. We're going to put that in a bowl, whisk it together, and add it to the mixture. Yeah! Okay, now let's go back in with those shrimp. Give it a nice little turn. Get all those shrimp coated in there with that delicious, delicious curry sauce. Alright, so I added a teaspoon of cornstarch with the remaining shrimp stock. Whisk it together and then add that in. And if you don't have any cornstarch, you can use some all-purpose flour. It'll do the same trick. Just whisk it in with the whatever broth you have, and then add that to the dish. And as if this dish isn't spicy enough already, I'm going in with some more heat. Going in with some red chili flakes. I'm going to mix it in and then bring it to a simmer and cover it just for about 2 or 3 minutes. Then uncover and add some fresh thyme leaves. At this point, I'm turning off the heat because we are done. We can just let the thyme just make love to that curry sauce and let it thicken. Hey, y'all want to hear the sexiest sound in the world? Check this out. Oh, talk to me. Yes.